Alright, I'm officially recording. Hopefully it doesn't fucking fry my computer. We'll get some more good kills. Once again, from behind is what we just did.
Eyes on enemy soldier, right there!
There was somebody
That's a
down
hostile
there.
soldier!
Somebody else gone first.
They've taken Sector Delta.
Enemy
Hostiles
soldier
are
on
hitting us. Don't let this get unmanageable.
Hope this friendly can't come in. Yeah, they're right there where he's up to.
Communications tower will be engaged by 155. Stay clear. Sector Charlie has been secured. We're securing sectors. Keep it up.
Yeah, I can't see that direction. Something behind us.
Marking this area as dangerous. Be alert!
Yep. I hit it. So I don't think it's blown up. I didn't get full XP for it. Yeah. We won. Woo!
I'm proud
That
of
was
you,
fun
Devil
as fuck.
Dogs. We
That's
have
what
won
I
this
miss.
battle.
That's my favorite fucking chopper. I remember us, yeah, I remember us fucking doing this shit in Battlefield 30. Like, this is the fucking
I
shit.
did this in 2042 as well. I didn't do it at all.
Well, then let's fucking do that.
Well, that's why I keep telling you that this is why this game's so good. It has cars and jets. Jets I'm kind of iffy at.
No, I want helicopter. I want that specific helicopter to
They
be.
started just in time. It's double XP. That's why the next two's yellow.
Yeah, it's double XP weekend every weekend for Call of Duty. I bought you this yesterday. I don't know if you want it. Chocolate chip cookie.
I'll eat it later. It's nice and warm.
I can make it nice and warm.
I just gotta hold up my hand for 10 seconds. So we're probably gonna go into normal Battlefield, like the latest.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna cycle. Yeah, this is I can tell from the background. This is taking a while to load up my PC.
Me too.